Welcome back, YouTube. So, today, we're gonna let my brother drive. Will we survive? I don't know. You got to stay tuned to find out. Say it up to YouTube, G.
What up, YouTube?
Okay, so we got my brother driving the Monster. See how this is gonna go. Nice. Feel comfortable floating yet?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Beast.
Your beast? Said by the company driver? Schneider. Nice recovery. Take this nice turn here. Yeah, you got it. Getting a little cocky now. Hi, I see you, dog. I see you, dog.
What you call a real driver, yo?
I see you, dog. Nice flow and no clutch. See that, people? No clutch. No clutch. He's being polite. He's not putting the jakes on, wake these people up. You know, it's not the Breakfast Club, so.
He's mad nervous.
I'm not too nervous. He was grinding the shit out them gears, dog. Nah, I'm kidding. They're really good. So, G, what do you think about the Western Star?
I love it.
It's big. You got a front, big nose. Not as big as like a W900 or a Peterbilt, but this is different from you. You're used to a Volvo.
It's different, but I love it.
You love it?
I love the high gears. I love the sound of the motor, the exhaust. Loud, it's fast, reliable.
You like, what do you think of the Detroit 60 series?
Not bad. From my experiences so far, not bad. My Volvo I had, jump. 2015. What year is this right now?
This is a 06.
06. So what is that, like 11 years or something like that?
Yeah, it's a big difference. That one was a 16, right?
Yeah.
So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Over 10 years.
So my Volvo always broke down. I'll go 200 miles, it's fine. 200 miles, it's fine. I'll go 400 miles, breakdown.
Yeah?
400 miles.
How many miles we put on this thing so far?
Me, only me?
No, just like when you was on the trip, last trip.
We put 2,800 miles. It's like, what is it, like 1,400 miles?
Yeah, and we took it to New Hampshire the other day. We had to go pick up those cars in New Hampshire too. So overall, your experience with an old ass truck, like, cause you know everyone considers this a old truck.
Well, I'm not speaking for any old truck, but for this truck, personally, it's real nice.
That's good. That's good. That's good. So you got a little faith in the Detroit 60 series, I'm assuming.
Oh yeah. I'm guessing this is the Honda Accord or Honda Civic of the truck world.
Yeah, basically, it's like the V6 one, not the four banger.
Yeah.
Like the nice little, you know, them little coupe Accords with the big V6. I got a little power, got a little oomph. Same thing here, except she's a wide girl.